Samsung launched itest that allowed to iPhone user to test out Android system like on a Galaxy devices. This video won't be super long, but I think it's a pretty short idea from Samsung. Many iPhone users try to test the feature like Samsung Galaxy. You can try yourself. Just go to address itest.ng or open site and scan QR code to go to website. This process aid on icon on your home page. Simply tap on and follow the process. Now you switch iPhone to Samsung Galaxy. Fill Galaxy on iPhone only to see, not to operate. This demo shows user what iPhone look if Apple use Android operating system on old iPhone. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to like, share with friends and subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the Solution and peace out till the next time.